Today, we will go through the installation and setup process of role action automation for workflows. Let's get started. Once in your account, scroll down on your sidebar and click on App Marketplace. Next, use the search bar to search for the application you'd like to install and click on it. Next, click on Install and allow an install. Refresh your page. Once that's done, scroll down on your sidebar and look for the custom page of the application you just installed. In this interface, we have a series of tabs. The first tab is the documentation tab, which contains information about this application. The next tab is the tutorial tab, which contains videos and smart cues that will help you get the necessary credentials when trying to set up this application. And in the setup tab, we have the possibility of setting up our application. Start by clicking on Start Setup. Next, head to your role account online. Click on My Account and Settings. From there, click on Users, and in Users, click on your email address. Now, scroll down to the bottom and copy the API access token given below. Head back to your account and paste it where required. Then you click on Complete. As you can see, the application has been successfully set up. The next tab is the Support tab, and it gives you the possibility to create tickets and book calls with our support team in case you have any issues. Finally, the changelog. This tab keeps you updated on any changes that have been made in the application, and it also gives you the possibility to receive notifications each time a change is made in an application. To enable that, toggle this on, fill in your email address, and click on subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to share and subscribe for more content. See you in the next video.